Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to add friends on Yubo by username. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Then on your interface, you can see there are options like live, chat, activity, friends, and swipe. You have to go to friends and scroll up. Under request, there is search bar right at the top. There you have to type in the username of the friend you want to find and add them. And guys, that's it. That's how you add friends on Yubo by username. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.